little ducks.
Five little ducks with feathers bright, splashing in the pond at morning light. Mama duck called, quack, quack, come back soon. Only four came paddling to the tune. Four little ducks went zoom, zoom, splash, chasing shiny fish that darted past. Mama duck called, quack, quack, where are you? Only three came back with a happy woo! Three little ducks played hide and seek behind tall reeds by the river creek. Mama duck called, quack, quack, time to dine. Only two came back in a wiggly line. Two little ducks raced side by side, riding tiny waves with joyful pride. Mama duck called, quack, quack, don't roam. Only one came waddling slowly home. One little duck felt sad and small, missing brothers, sisters, one and all. Mama duck called, quack, quack, come here, my dears. And five little ducks came back with cheers.
Toodly TV.